Plug Power. So I'm doing this Plug Power stock. Doing this Plug Power stock. Plug Power. Plug Power. And isn't this is the battery stock or something? This is, let's see what the market cap is, 13.69 billion. So honestly, three reasons the thing on there. And again, you're gonna have it's hydrogen. It's hydrogen. Offers exposure to hydrogen as intimate catalytic sending stock higher. While in the short term, the stock can fall as low as $14 at a return rate. My long term part time of $264. That's a damn increase on up there. That's the full support of the EU and is gaining traction in the US though. My basis on this is I think it's going to be a good stock in the long term. Right now, it's going to be some volatility. But again, I heard about the small caps that got destroyed in the last couple of things, but in the long term, the small caps are going to go back up. My thing with stocks is you get to be patient. I still got that 15 grand I wanted. I could have had back. Right now, it'll look great. If I just held off and sell, you got to sell at the right time. You got to buy at the right time. You buy on the dip and you sell on the high. In the last article on Plug Power, I covered some general points of the company and provided evaluation using Elliott Wave theory, something that was in grad school that we learned. Today, I'd like to focus on considerably three imminent catalysts that could catapult Plug back in the $60 range. Hydrogen energy is a controversial subject, but overall, I think there are now enough cases and institutional government support so that hydrogen companies like Plug can grow and achieve profitability. Europe loves hydrogen, America is coming around. Sonia and Plug Power launching a JV in Madrid to operate, develop, and maintain green hydrogen projects. Plug Power benefit from this from being the primary provider of electrolyzer technology, while Essential will provide green electricity. This JV entails an initial investment of $2.2 billion and an objective of capturing 20% of the hydrogen market in Spain and Portugal by 2030. Oh my god. This agreement comes on the heels of the EU's big commitment to the hydrogen economy, pledging last year to invest $550 billion into hydrogen, which Goldman Sachs estimates will be $1 trillion industry by 2050. More immediately, though, the launch of the European Green Hydrogen Acceleration Center promises to deliver a $1 billion per year hydrogen economy by 2025. And plus, this is actually going to get benefits from the Biden administration. Don't care whether you like him or not. Care about where you make money. That's what I say. Don't like him. Don't like making fun of him. How much an idiot he is. But I thought Trump was an idiot too. So here we're going to get that. The only thing that's about here is the accounting measures on the accounting sheet were not very good. So as a black cloud hanging over us, just let the rich state the financial settlements of the past few years. Because actually, a lot of the overseas companies like Big Trip had said that were actually right. He was right about the accounting sheet with a lot of foreign companies. So long term this year, I think it's gonna be probably back around. It could soar again. It's a growth stock. Long term, in the short term, it's gonna be a lot of volatility probably. I mean, it could go back down. I did option on the day, but I sold off because I didn't really want to sit there and fool with it. But I mean, that's what it was. Let's look at the balance sheet. I need to learn how to read financial statements. I'll be unstoppable then. Okay. Fuck. Last number of revenues down, net income's down, operating income's down, cash in hand, cash at cost and revenue. But you're going off the quarterly numbers, which are earning calls. Be earnings per share. Beat. Oh my god. Honestly, I think in the long term, the short term, I think it's gonna be in $60 For sure. It could become $100 stock. We don't know, but in the short term, it's just going to be like one of those things that's going to be like you're just going to have to embrace the volatility. I do think it's still one of those promising stocks in the long term. It's just like the cent stock. You're just going to have to hold and wait. I warn now. I'm just holding. I don't care what happens. I'm holding on my stocks. I'm not selling. Besides, day trading gives you that pattern day trading thing anyway, so that allows you on Fidelity. Anyways.